In this video, I am going to tell you how you can change the author bio in your WordPress website. So for this, you need to log into your dashboard and then you need to go to your users. You can see there's an option of users. Click on all users, or for specific users, you can change you can see your admin profile pic is not showing here. So in my blog post or my content, my author bio pic will not show up. So I need to click on this edit option here. Scroll down a bit. So make sure that you have access to this email ID because you need to log into this email ID. Otherwise, you can also change your email ID here. Let me change my email ID. After changing your email ID, which you have access, you need to first click on this save option at the bottom. Just click on update profile. Now you need to log into your email ID and click the approval button. So log into your email ID and you will get a link where you can just need to click on that link and your ID will be approved. So you will get a link from WordPress. Just open that link. Just click on this confirmation link. So your profile is updated now. So now again scroll down the same page on the user page. Here you can see profile pic is showing. You need to just change the profile pic of that from Gravatar. You need to log into Gravatar and you need to sign up an account. Click on get started now. Make sure to create an account on Gravatar with the same email ID which you have access, which you have linked to your users. Enter the same email ID here. After that, click on continue and you need to enter the verification code and you will again get the verification code in your email ID. Click on continue. Click on continue again. So here you need to create your account and here you will get an option to upload your profile picture. You can click from camera or click on upload. Let me click on upload and upload my picture. Select any picture. Crop the picture according to your requirement. Click on done. Click on continue. Continue again. Do this later. So now it is done. You can go back to your WordPress website and refresh your page. You can simply refresh your page. So you can see my user pic is now showing here. So it took around a minute or so, 30 seconds or 1 minute. So now my profile pic is showing here. So it is visible. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. It is a very easy process. It's a change process now. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the, you can see my picture is showing properly now. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.